Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted this on Facebook that this file was not cutting out completely. It's got a lot of missing line. I don't know 100% of the answer. It could still be your laser, but I don't think so. I think there's a problem. I took it out to the shop and cut it out, but I had to do some things. I don't really understand why, but if we select this, we only have 3 objects. But if we go to Windows, Dockers, and Objects, first of all, the L is on a second layer, a separate layer. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to move it down to this layer. Might be easier. So now it's on that. But see, this is an SVG data. There's a file in here, and if we click it where we can see it and unlock it, if we select everything now, we've got 4 objects selected. That item is in there. So we can right click and delete it. Well, I deleted too much. I had it all selected. So now you see it. I mean, when I click on it, it doesn't come up when we do this, but if we select it, it comes up. Now, I don't see how that little bitty minute little thing could be causing this, but you need to just right click and delete it. Now, if we take the whole page and we've got 3 objects selected. Now, if that ever happens again and you don't want to go through that trouble, and so I cut it out real small because I want to save wood. I cut it out of plywood. One more click. So I cut it out and it cut out clean. Everything, all the things cut. So it could still be your laser, not firing somewhere. But I really think it's this data. So if that ever happens again, what I would do, this thing is 14 inches across, and I would set your duplicate distance on 0, 0. So let's set our nudge distance on 15. And let's take this and move it over, move it over, move it over. And then not only that, this file, and she sent it to me, is not a hairline. So take this file, left click, right click it in red, and make it a hairline. Then delete this. We've already deleted the bad part, but we're going to move this over. And maybe the safest way to do would be to right click and copy this, open up a whole new page, make it your size of your laser. Mine is opening up to mine. Right click and paste it. And there you have it. And now you won't have that problem if there's something hidden. I'm real curious if that's going to save your problem. Anyway, I'll do an update if they get back to me. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.